Hi crafters, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Altea and this is Hooked on Yarn. Today I will be showing you how I will manage to DIY a blocking board. I have some granny squares to do in mind, a personal project, which I will be needing a blocking board. So I thought I would take you along with me to see if we will manage to do this blocking board. Blocking boards are rather expensive. I mean, you can buy yours on, I found some good ones on Amazon. But since they are a little bit pricey, I thought I'd just buy a chopping board and do my own. So let's see if we manage to do this. Also, I hope you will like this video. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel down below. And let's get drilling.
One hour later.
So it is about 425 drilling holes later. I have finished my blocking board. I am quite pleased with the result. I have put also a granny square just to show you how this would work out. All you need is basically now the stainless steel rods. These stainless steel rods are about 1.5 to 2 millimeters, but you can find even larger. And I could easily fit also 2 granny squares next to each other. So I think this board was actually the perfect size. It isn't too small and it isn't too big. It measures around 30 centimeters by 25 centimeters. So just to give you a brief idea how big this is. Well, I think that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Also, let me know if you would like to see a video on how I crocheted this granny square. And that's it. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time. Bye guys.